Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock OPPO Reno 15 without password. Okay, but please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, so all of our data will be erased from our device. We need to remember about it. And the third thing is that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, the phone will want to verify us, or by typing the screen lock. Of course, we won't be able to do it because we cannot remember it. But there's a second option, and it's signing in into the same Google account into which we are logged in before the reset. So you need to remember about it. You will have to verify yourself by logging in into your Google account that you were using before the reset. Okay, so now I'll show you that the phone is locked. I cannot remember the password. I can even lock it. And now, even if you click on forgot password, it says that you need to perform a factory reset, or you can try to contact to official support, or go into the official customer service and try to look for help there. But let's do it home method. So we need to power off our device first. Click power key and volume up and select power off. Okay, to enter recovery mode, we need to hold power key and volume down at the same time until we see the OPPO logo. When it appears, release the finger from power key but keep holding volume up. So volume down and power. Now release from power key and keep holding volume down. Okay, we are in the recovery mode. Now using volume keys we can select the language. If you want to confirm the selected option, simply click the power button, but the touchscreen also works. Now we need to select format data. I know that it's really dark, but it's impossible to change the brightness right in here. And now we need to type this code using our keyboard. Boom. Now click on format. It's right in here. It's barely noticeable, but in here we have the format button. The process has now started, so we need to wait until it's done. Okay, data formatted. Click on OK. And now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. And the next thing that we have to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.